Hey guys, it's Davin here at brewbits.com with this week's product of the week. But before I go into that, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel to keep an eye out for all the videos and all the products of the week that we are doing. So this week's product of the week is the Simply Bitter beer kits, and they are £12.50 on our website. They make a really, really good beer. Now I know it's very simple packaging, and right at the bottom you've got your sachet of yeast as well. But this does make a really good traditional English bitter. As you would expect, nice and golden brown with lots of bitterness and lots of that malty, toasty flavours that you always get in a traditional English bitter. So what are we doing with it? Well, it's quite simple. Buy a Simply Bitter and you can get yourself a bag of Beer Enhancer for free. So the Beer Enhancer has just passed its best before date at the end of March, but there's nothing in here to go off. It's basically sugar. It's dried wort, dried beer, and sugar. There's nothing in here to go off. So this will still last and be really good to use for years and years and years. But the combination of these two will mean that you will get a really, really good beer kit that you would expect to have if you went to a really good, decent pub on a pool pump. So there you go. Add a Simply beer kit to your basket, add a Beer Enhancer to your basket, use the code, as always, POTW, somewhere about here, and you will get the Beer Enhancer for free. There we go. Any questions? Down in the comments below, let me know. But for now, enjoy your Simply Bitter beer kit with free Beer Enhancer.